Hello everyone, XNYC Prepper here. And today I'm going to teach you guys the first lesson about knife defense. Okay? Very soon I'm going to find a couple of people so I can actually show you. I need another person. It's very difficult for me to do it by myself because I need somebody to attack me so I can show you guys what I need to do. But today, verbally, you'll understand this. And this is one of the most important things that I need you to do if somebody pulls a knife on you. The number one thing. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. All right. If somebody pulls a knife out on you, you see how I have this knife in my right hand? Okay. I want to grab you and I want to stab you. That's what I want to do. I want to stab you. I want to cut you. If you're over here, anywhere in front of me, if you're anywhere in front of me, even here, a little bit to the side here, you see? I could just shift my body anywhere within here. I can cut you to smithereens in little pieces. But if you happen to be back here, behind me, I can't do anything. I gotta turn around. The only thing I can do is slash backwards like a backslash. That's what you want. You want the assailant to have to turn around like this to slash you backwards. Not here where he can do anything he wants. Not here where he can do anything he wants. Back there. Okay? So you have to learn to sidestep and circle. Sidestep and circle around the knife. Same thing in boxing. If a guy's fighting you, he's a right-handed, and you know he's got a devastating right cross, you want to circle this way. You don't want to circle this way because he'll hit you. Anywhere here, he'll hit you here. But back here, he can't hit you, right? He's got to turn around. Same thing with a knife. So this is lesson number one. Most important. This is really simple. All you have to do is sidestep and circle him. Go around him. You want to be back here. You want to force him to do this. So when he does that, that's where you're going to intercept his arm and remove that knife from him. I'll show you that in the next video. So right now, just remember, you circle around the knife, around him backwards here. So you force him to do this. Because over here, he's going to chop you to smithereens, okay? You don't want to stand in front of a knife. Never run away. Because he's going to run behind you. He's going to stab you, okay? You have a better chance of doing what I just told you. Never step backwards. Because you don't have eyes behind the back of your head. You could trip over something. You could fall. You could trip over your own feet and fall backwards and fall on the ground, and then he's going to finish you off. Okay? Never circle. Go this way. To the left over here, because he's got you. Always around the knife. Always around that knife. Force him to do this. Force him to do this or to turn around after you. And you can just keep on circling until you can stop that attack. That's all you're going to give him. Okay? That's all you're going to give him. And it's simple. It's pretty simple. The moment you see that knife, boom, boom, you're over here. You're not running backwards. You're not running that way. You're running this way. All right? That's lesson number one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Us.